A big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. This week, more than any other, we really appreciate having a clean, beautiful, maintenance-free website that won't break down or grow barnacles while we're not paying attention.
So, we have done another very rookie mistake, and we have not cleaned the bottom of our dinghy the whole summer, and it's been in the water for over 2 months. So we're very worried that there is tons of algae and seaweed and barnacles all over the bottom of it, and today is the day that we deal with the problem. The good one. Ooh. So now we carry it out, right?
No, now we kind of get everything out of there.
Isn't it so nice that this is so light?
Yeah.
To the beach. How do you flip it?
Like this.
Oh my gosh. Ugh. I'm sorry. There we go. Wah!
Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh no! Oh no. There's like proper critters on here. What is this? What are you? Oh, did you see that?
No.
Oh my gosh, I touched this and it squirts water.
What? What is that?
I don't know, I'm milking it. What the heck, man? There's like shrimp on here. There's a proper ecosystem living on this boat. Wow, this is gonna be a project, Lou.
Right?
It's honestly kind of pretty.
Yeah.
I can't believe this. We definitely should have done this sooner. Seriously though, look at these barnacles. Did they come off?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, Lou.
That's what I brought the plastic scraper.
Oh, got one. Wow, they're hard. I think, be careful, they're sharp too.
Yeah.
So it kind of like cracks the barnacle off, and then I think you have to go get the extra. It comes right off. We did not break it.
It comes right off.
Phew.
That's cool.
It might just take a couple hours.
Right?
Yeah. That's great news.
Right.
I was worried that the barnacles were gonna get on there so much that they would eat a hole through it.
Saw you down the motorway. There was something about you that day. I can still hear the shimmering sound. The hill is near, let's get right up. Walk up to the very top. We couldn't tell the sky from the ground. I know my life will never be the same after that day. You wrap me around your fingers and you stay. I don't ever wanna be alone again.
Got seawater. Let's see how well we've done so far. Ready?
Yeah.
The last leftover bits of the barnacles are so hard to get off. Do you think that we're gonna go faster now?
I think so.
Right?
Looks pretty good, Dana.
It's pretty good. There's still a little bits here and there, but
All around. It's
all
like
around way better.
this compared to before. Look at that.
She looks good.
Right?
I wouldn't say brand new, but she looks way better than she did just a few hours ago. And your prediction of 20 minutes was far off. But it was definitely really fun. Honestly, mindless tasks are wonderful these days because I feel like we're learning so much that to just hang out and scrape things off the bottom of the dinghy was actually a really nice afternoon, I thought.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Soothing. It's very calm, very wax on, wax off, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Wax on, right hand. Wax off, left hand.
So the dinghy is clean, we are back in the water, and hopefully we can get a little more speed out of this 2-horsepower engine. Because
Let's go.
Yeah?
Let's see if it works.
hey!
Give it full throttle.
Sit back here, then it's not as like heavy in the front.
Is it faster?
I think so. We wanted to clean the dinghy off with fresh water when we came back last night, but we ran out of water when we were taking a shower. So now we need to go get fresh water at the dock, and we can fill up these with fresh water so we have drinking water.
Yeah. Docking. Third time.
Let's do it.
Third time's the charm, right?
Yeah, I mean, we've been successful thus far, so let's keep it going. Do you want to leave the motor on it or no?
Yeah, that's fine.
It's pretty calm.
So, are you ready to come off the mooring?
Yes, would you get us off the mooring? And we're going to be approaching the dock on our port side.
Okay. You ready, Dana? Yeah, ready. All right. We're off. Cool. I'll just give you a little push. There's no current right now, so.
Well, then we might not even have to reverse.
Yeah.
But just make sure you can get up for it.
I will.
You come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Now that the dinghy is clean and we've even rinsed it with fresh water, we thought it would be fun to do our first real like dinghy day, dinghy adventure. And there's like a little area with like a teeny little river that we've never been through because it's really shallow. And so we thought it would be fun to go explore, and we brought some snacks. Did our engine die?
No, we're rowing so that maybe we'll see some wildlife. Plus our engine is like really not much faster than just rowing. So
It's much quieter this way.
it's quiet, you save some gas, you get some exercise. It's like a win-win-win. You know? What does this moment remind you of?
In Germany when we went rowboating.
Everyone's gonna think I always make you row and lift.
Yeah, but I like doing it. We're rolling.
Going into the canals.
It's actually really fun to use the oars.
Yeah.
It's much more relaxing. Whew. We got a current. Oh, look. Lou, get it! Don't let it sink! Where is it? I don't think we've ever made this before, Lou.
Yeah.
I hope it's delicious. Very excited. And we have broccoli that I already chopped up yesterday, so this is gonna be quite a feast.
Should I put it into this broccoli Tupperware salad?
Oh, let me rinse it.
Looks just like cheese.
Whatever. I bet it's gonna be delicious. We haven't had cheese in like 6 years, so I don't even think we would be able to tell. It's gonna be awesome. It's a little clumpy. We may even have leftovers tonight. Wouldn't that be nice? Oh my gosh, this is so good. You want a big bowl, right?
Yeah.
Big bowl for Lou. Say when.
I won't.
That's good.
Ah, cheers.
Happy the dinghy's all safe and sound.
Right?
Yeah.
What an adventure.
Next time we clean it a little earlier.
Yeah. Next month, right?
This is good.
Really good. A big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. The cool thing about running our website with Squarespace is that it requires almost no maintenance, but still runs perfectly on computers, tablets, and phones, without us having to know a thing about coding. If you'd like to start your own photography portfolio, online store, or blog, head to squarespace.com/wildweroam for a free trial and 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.